Carter, can't you just like flip this off so you can see it too? Oh yeah, guys. You can also see it. That's like a really expensive camera. What's up, guys? Okay, let's go. Carter's gonna go. This is really good. Let's do that. I'm gonna be Kate. I'm gonna be the Kate. Uncle Kate. Oh, I need to get a jump. Let's do that thing. This is wet content. This is freaking wet. You just got dunked on. Super flip down. No, I just dunked on his butt. Oh, we're going. Yeah! 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 Ah! It's raining again! How do you know if that's indeed? Okay, I need to go jump. Nobody's not jumping. You need to go jump. Yeah. Go, Ethan! Get your gun! No, here. Here, Anthony. Okay, Dad, that was pretty lit. Now, comment down below in the comment section who's the best, okay, guys? At Duncan. That was it. Your squad, Lit Squad, and we're here with today's edition of Trampoline. This is our first vlog, so welcome. So, first up, I'm Gary Hills, and I will be doing the cameraman for right now. And then this is Anthony Yakabuchi.
I'm Booch. Guys call me Booch. Go subscribe to Everyday Booch Vlogs, because that's my YouTube channel.
Okay guys, what is up guys? This is Carter, and I'm gonna hand over. Hey guys, this is Ethan. I'm probably the best out of all of them, but you know, just lay low, okay? Okay, I don't know what to do now, so back to Carter. Let's go! Let's go! I hope I got that. Dude, it's so lit. Here, I'll be the filmer. It's lit! So how'd that feel, guys? Look at Ethan. Hashtag face cam. There you go, me. Hands here. I'll go for another round. This is so lit. We are the Lit Squad. Oh God. Oh my God. Gary, show under the trampoline. Okay guys, so this is under the trampoline right now. Woo! Yeah! And I'm going to be taking you in for a tour of this water. It's going in my mouth! See that, guys? That was lit, bro. hope you enjoy. I mean, we're not done yet. We don't stop. We don't stop until we drop. Oh, dude, this thing just... Dude, Gary, bro, this thing just fell off. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna do a flip. This week back home. Flooded, but it's so lit. I know. What is it? It fell off. That's important. I know. Just put it. Does it say not go on when it's wet? Who cares? Wait, let me plug now. I'm on bigger. What? Okay, guys. Gary's saying that the river/flood thing got bigger. So Gary's gonna go run through it. Wait, can I book it? Yeah, sure. You can. Oh, yeah, okay. Here's Gary. That was Gary. Like, Carter's yard is flooded. Yeah, I know, but it's all good. It's content. All about the views. Content.
All about the views. Content. All about the views. Yeah. All about the views. The lit spot is lit every day. So, what we're gonna do is segments with Anthony. For what?
Yeah! Yo, this water's lit, bruh.
Look at that.
Hey, Gary, don't put it in the water. I know, but no, this is a waterproof cage. You can take this into the ocean. Tipping for them haters. You need a kite! Okay, let's go. This is what we're going to be doing. We're just going to be sliding across the trampoline. Okay? Here, come. Who wants to film it? Savage. Okay, so we are going to be sliding across the trampoline right now. I want to climb on top of that and just jump. So, yeah, who's going to go first? Alright, so here's Anthony. That was pretty good. He's still laying on the ground, but Carter's going now. Okay, now Gary's going. And then Anthony, then Carter. Gary, you gotta go quick. Yo, yeet. Okay, that was. Oh, Carter is doing the best so far, guys. Comment down below. See who's doing the worst and the best. Okay, so, yep, they're still going. Okay, the camera just shut off, guys. No! Okay, it's still recording. Yeah. Yes, it is playing up with the vlog. He can't. Okay. Who's going right now? It's content. It's all about the views. Content all about the views. Oh, who's going to do it, guys? Oh, then Anthony got that double bounce in with Carter. No! He just died, guys. He died. He dead. He's asleep right now, guys. He's asleep. He just got slumped. He's slumped right now. There's a hole in your pants. There's a hole in your pants.
There's a